Alright guys, just got back to my apartment slash room. Let me give you guys a quick tour. This is the bathroom area. So the shower only has cold water, which is a common thing here in San Andres due to the, hot weather. I've been told only the super luxurious 5-star hotels here, which aren't many, have hot water. But it's fine. We have a sink, a bed, which is super comfy, another bed, air conditioning, TV, got a fridge. Downstairs we have a kitchen, which I'm gonna use. So I've decided I have no other choice. I'm gonna cook for tonight. We got some rapas. I forgot the name. This, gonna eat that with tomato soup, and I'm gonna make a pasta. Got some almond milk. They don't have soy milk, so I'm just gonna drink almond milk and some Oreos if I'm still hungry. So in Cartagena and here in San Andres, both cities, they have zero full vegetarian restaurants. So don't even think about vegan, but vegetarian, there are none. So it's kind of difficult to find some food. But hey, I don't want to complain. At the end of the day, it's my choice to be vegan. So gotta deal with the consequences, good and bad. So we're just gonna go downstairs to the kitchen and make ourselves a meal. This is the view. And there are also 2 dogs downstairs. They're from the owner, so cool place.